Hey YouTubers, this video is going to be about Christmas, Michigan, which has the Kewadin Casino, and Christmas is just outside of Munising off Lake Superior, and they have free, totally free RV camping. Now you got to use campground in air quotes because there are 12 sites on the side of the parking lot with 30 and 50 amp service. And I'll tell you what, this place stayed crowded the entire time. They recently changed it to limiting to 3 days, which I guess is fair because I've said before it's been so crazy. The parking lot even got full, not just the plug-in spaces. But across the street is the National Forest Bay Furnace, and I go over here to enjoy the beautiful Lake Superior views and the water and all that good stuff. And now I'm going to share that with you. And as is customary for me, I'm going to throw in some music.
Morning coffee. Some ducks going by. Pretty good spot. That's Grand Island out there. I'll show you where I'm sitting in a minute. Good way to start a day.
I already gave a video with a campground tour, so this will be mostly the lake.
Meh. You watching? Just some ducks.
If you want to sit and look, there's a bunch of benches and picnic tables.
It's hot today, but that water's still cold, trust me. But a good cold, a doable cold. Alright, I stopped back in from swimming, and that is a Tesla charging, and he had pulled in right here between us, and I was like, dude, I don't want to get in your business, but if you park back behind there, it'd be a lot better, because RVers will come here and lose their shit. So, they're charging for a couple hours, because there's no superchargers and the UP, and I still want a Tesla.
There's 30 and 50 amp on each post, so he was able to use the same post I was using, and within a half an hour of me telling him that, another RV showed up, so it worked out. Not only was he cool about it, when he came back he was pretty grateful and thanked me. So life is good. Look, an albino pigeon. You don't see that every day. And I saw just all varieties of different RVs. And that shot I showed you before, there ended up being an RV parked back there that night. And got the attack cat standing guard. I actually do get in the lake quite a bit. I just don't show it. A few shots of the campground. The waterfront sites are very nice. It's a nice campground. Bay Furnace. Check it out if you're near Munising in Christmas, Michigan. The remains of the Bay Furnace are actually pretty cool, and what they did here was neat. You can pause these and read them. And I think that's interesting, a 1,200 foot long pier, and these wood planks are what's left of it 140 years later.
You know that saying, I wouldn't take it if you gave it to me? Well, that's not true. I'd take it, but I'd sell it right away and get something usable.
Now don't get excited or offended. There are so many different RVs because there's so many different needs for people. And here's a little bit of a sunset. A little bit of fog and campfire smoke made for a nice view on the lake.
Pretty good. But I think you could do better.
Big Rock. Same Big Rock. A place worth visiting. I hope you enjoyed and that you have a great and wonderful day.